A charitable remainder annuity trust or uni trust, there are different versions of this, but the basic concept, they call it a CRAT. Do I need one of these? So the reason why individuals do a CRAT or a CRUT is the main purpose of trying to avoid a large taxation at a given moment upon selling some asset that might have a lot of taxes due because it no longer has a basis. So for example, I had a situation that arose last year where a couple had a lot of assets and they were going to sell it. And it was a bunch of stocks and they were going to realize a gain of $800,000. And in realizing this $800,000 gain, they didn't want to see it this year because that would have been a huge tax on them. So by using a CRAT or a CRUT, they were able to put a charity as a remainder beneficiary and put all the money into this vehicle and slowly receive it and not face the tax burden that they would have before. This is very complex planning. This is something that should not be done without professional help. But I want you to be aware of, if you're selling something that is of large, significant value, that you don't have to realize all that money this year, you can take it over a period of time, but you have to realize there has to be some intent that you give a portion of this to a charity. That's the purpose of everything. So talk to an attorney if you need help setting up a CRAT or a CRUT. If you don't want to realize the gain, you might want to talk to your CPA. This is also a person, because I don't do taxes, and so I get help from a CPA to go through this process. But I want you to know that there is an opportunity out there. If you're going to realize a large gain from the sale of something, that you can have the choice of not realizing it all in 1 year. You can take it over a period of time and sometimes pay almost no taxes whatsoever on the sale of property.